Hello everybody, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to use leverage in eToro. So first things first, you want to find a stock that you want to buy. For the sake of this tutorial I'm using my practice account, and here we can go ahead and trade this stock. For this example I'm using Microsoft. Now when we open up the trade tab we have the option to either short or buy the stock. In this instance I'm going to buy say $1,000 worth, and then I have the option here to use leverage. As you can see it does say note, higher leverage can amplify profit and loss, putting your capital at risk. Basically what this means is that we will borrow shares to trade with. In this example I have the option to either use 2 times leverage or 5 times leverage. You can sometimes get higher leverage as well, but obviously do note that this can amplify the profit and loss. We can go all the way up to 20 times leverage. For the sake of this tutorial though, I will just use 2 times leverage. That means that if the price say falls by 5%, my trade will react accordingly by 10% because I am effectively using leverage. All we then need to do is go ahead and open the trade. It's confirmed order of the receipt here. And if I go to my portfolio, we can see that's currently queued up. The market is closed right now because it is the weekend. If I want to go ahead and cancel that, I can do here. And if I want to trade again, there's no issue with that. I can do so and go even higher if I wanted to. But for the sake of this tutorial, that is how you use leverage on eToro.